like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube. Shorts that dive in huge engagement use this to show behind the scene content, product, demos, or quick tips. Email. Stick works, especially when personalized, use customers' names, recommended product based on past behavior, and keep message short and clear. People trust people. Collaborate with small trusted influencers who share your brand values. Avoid fake endorsements. They damage trust. False quiz. This or that, but please engagement. They are also insight into your audience preferences. Optimize your website and listening your voice. Search like where to buy eco-friendly candle and mobile first and fast loading sites are most too. In 2023, a local skincare brand Cebu boosted the sales of by 40% after using on TikTok tutorial and authentic product reviews.